A very good evening to all of you. Can I please have your videos so that I can begin? Pratiksha, can you please switch on your video? Great. I can see all the lovely faces. So, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Forever Star India, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good. And, I'm really excited to listen to you guys and have a fun conversation here. So, today you are here to give your audition. But before that, I just want to clarify that the audition is going to be in two steps. First being your ramp walk, and second being your introduction, so please keep it very crisp. About the ramp walk, you will have to set your frame in a position where I could see you walking. 2 rounds and you sit back for your introduction जिसमें आप अपनी educational qualifications, अपनी hobbies and why you are here on this platform, why do you want to win the crown of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. And to add to the excitement here, you will be receiving an audition report in return to that, because irrespective of you get selected or not, to ensure that your effort is appreciated, and it will be valid for a period of lifetime, which means आपको Forever Star India का कोई भी audition दोबारा नहीं देना पड़ेगा. So let's get started, and I'd request you all to start with the ramp walk एक साथ, and then we'll interact one-on-one. So all of you can begin. Great, I can see all of you, and so you could start. पूर्णिमा, आप भी शुरू कीजिए प्लीज. टू राउंड्स कंप्लीट करके प्लीज बैठ जाइएगा. Great. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for putting in the effort. So let's start with the introduction now. I'd request Purnima to unmute herself so that we can finally begin. Hi, Purnima. How are you?
Hello, I am fine. Hello, everyone. My name is Purnima and I am 20 years old. Basically, I am from UP, Gorakhpur, Devariya, but currently I live in Delhi. And my hobbies are I am a dancer, and that's why I learned dance for 3 years, and now I am a dance teacher. And besides the dance, cooking, singing, and acting are also my hobbies. And basically, I came from a middle class family, but it doesn't affect on my career choice. They always support me. That's why I want to make them more proud on me. And I don't have any experience in modeling, but I know if I want, so I can do this.
Absolutely, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. I don't think an experience भी कहीं से create ही होता है. So there's always the start, and trust me, you are just on the right platform. So thank you so much. I think you are a little nervous, so you can calm down, relax, and if it's okay, we'll
Okay.
So let's hear it from Bhagyashree. Hi, Bhagyashree.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Bhagyashree Thapre. I am 20 years old. I am medical student, second year MBBS. My hobbies are reading and traveling. I like traveling, and I am here because was a quiet kid when I was in school and here also in college. So to boost up my confidence and to achieve my goals so that I can be more confident in life, and so I just want to try. I'm actually nervous.
You don't have to be nervous. It's okay. I am just here to know more about you guys. You are such fun, interesting individuals that आप लोग अपने आप में ही बहुत unique हैं. So I am just here to have a very interesting conversation because I'm really excited to know more about you guys. जैसे आप अपने दोस्तों से बात करते हैं, वैसे आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं. So I have understood that आप यहाँ पे अपना confidence boost करने के लिए आए हैं. मेरा थोड़ा network glitch हो गया था. क्या आप अपनी hobbies repeat कर सकती हैं?
Okay, so my hobbies are reading and traveling. I also like singing. Means I don't sing very well. I don't know. Means I have not taken any classes, but I like singing.
Okay, makes complete sense. And you do not have to say I don't really sing very well. I am not an expert, so you can say I used to sing, very, very good. So that's not enough. So thank you, Bhagyashree, for letting me know about you. And I shall get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Shivangi till then. Hi, Shivangi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. You say.
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Shivangi Kapoor. I'm 25 years old and my height is 5'3". And my hobbies are singing, dancing, acting, and playing guitar, etc.
Okay. So what brings you here? Why is Shivangi on Forever Star India? Why does she want to win the crown?
मैम एक्चुअली मैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हूँ और मुझे लगता है कि मुझ में वो चीज है कि मैं मॉडलिंग में आगे अपना करियर बना सकती हूँ, मैं कुछ अचीव कर सकती हूँ और मैं उन लोगों को ये चीज दिखाना चाहती हूँ मैम, जैसे कि बहुत सी ऐसी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली होती हैं जो अपने बच्चों को आगे नहीं बढ़ाती हैं इस फील्ड में. तो मैं उन सबको ये चीज दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली की लड़की कुछ कर सकती है, कुछ आगे बढ़ सकती है, अपना करियर बना सकती है इस फील्ड में.
बिल्कुल, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा. शिवांगी, आपका बैकग्राउंड, आपकी लैंग्वेज, कुछ भी आपके सपनों के बीच नहीं आना चाहिए. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर पुटिंग इट आउट सो
वेल. मैम ये सब मैटर नहीं करता. आई थिंक सो.
Absolutely correct. So, Shivangi, I'll get back to you in a while. Let me hear from Pratiksha till then. Hi, Pratiksha, how are you? I think Pratiksha is facing some network glitch. उनका वीडियो बार-बार बफर हो रहा है. So let's hear it from Sharon till then. Hi, Sharon. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you are doing good. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk first. Can you show me 2 rounds of ramp walk before we have your introduction?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm not audible to you.
ओके, तो रैम्प वॉक के साथ शुरू करें. ऑडिशन प्रोसेस में 2 पार्ट्स रहेंगे. पहला आपका रैम्प वॉक, सो डू 2 राउंड ऑफ रैम्प वॉक एंड देन यू विल गिव मी योर इंट्रोडक्शन. तो रैम्प वॉक के साथ शुरू करें.
Yeah, 1 minute.
प्रतीक्षा, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू गेट इनटू अ बेटर नेटवर्क प्लेस बिकॉज़ आपका वीडियो बफर हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा.
Start?
यस शरण, स्टार्ट कीजिए. Thank you so much, Sharon. Now I would like to know more about you. Please अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए. Your hobbies, why you are here on this platform, and all of that.
Yeah, my name is Sharon Matthew, and I belong to Vapi City. Currently working as HR and admin head, ma'am, and my age is 29. I am a career-oriented girl, but from school time only I wanted to go to this line. So currently got a chance. I am very much interested to join this. That's why I am here.
Okay, so do you want to become a model?
Yeah.
Okay, and what are your hobbies, Sharon?
Sorry?
आपकी hobbies क्या हैं?
My hobbies is driving, surfing. I love to listen music.
Okay.
And most of the main thing is painting.
Okay, you love painting. That's interesting.
Yeah, I love painting.
Thank you so much for sharing about yourself. And I shall get back to you in a while. Let me hear it from Pratiksha till then. Hi, Pratiksha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so please start with the introduction.
My name is Pratisha राजेंद्र फदाले. मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ मैम. अभी लैब में काम कर रही हूँ. मैं लैब पैथोलॉजी हूँ. मॉडलिंग मेरा हॉबी है, लेकिन सेकंड मेरे घर पे थोड़ा इशू था, इसलिए मैंने नहीं किया है अभी. अभी मेरा फाइनेंशियल बजट अभी डेवलप हुआ है, इसलिए मैंने अभी किया है.
ओके, मेक सेंस. तो मॉडलिंग के अलावा आपकी कोई और हॉबी है?
जी, मुझे डांस और पेंटिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है करने को.
ओके, मेक सेंस. थैंक यू सो मच प्रतीक्षा अपने बारे में बताने के लिए. So this brings us to the end of the conversation today. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you for letting me know about you guys. I am sure आप लोगों ने अब तक एक चीज realize कर ली होगी that you guys are so different from each other, but still one thing that binds all of you together is to the idea to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाने की जो आपकी इच्छा है, that I could see through your eyes, through your words, and that shaking confidence. And this is what we are going to build here. Forever Star India is a platform that is going to offer it all to you, and it's going to be a very very inclusive platform. I am sure आप जो बेसिक चीज होती है, आज आपका ऑडिशन कंप्लीट होता है, which completes your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. So congratulations. It's an absolute pleasure having all of you here today. It was an absolute delight to hear from each one of you. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने मुझे अपने बारे में बताया, I would like to take some time to talk about the platform ताकि आपको पता हो what are you entering into. So Forever Star India, once you complete your audition, आपको within 48 hours, Sunday excluded, एक audition report email कर दी जाएगी. जैसे कि मैंने शुरू में बोला था, the idea is to keep the process very very transparent. आज सुबह आप उठे, you were like आज मेरा audition है, आप लोगों ने तैयारी करी, you got ready, you gained some confidence because it takes a lot of courage to sit across a virtual screen and talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. So moving on these lines, the audition report will be a token of appreciation from our side, जो आपके लिए लाइफ टाइम के लिए वैलिड होगा. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि आपको पूरी लाइफ उस ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट के थ्रू फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया के किसी भी पैजेंट के लिए ऑडिशन देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. It will be valid for a period of lifetime, and it will give you clarity, it will give you transparency कि आपके high points क्या हैं and आपके weak points क्या हैं. Similarly, moving forward, once you are selected, which I'm sure you guys will, considering you all are very, very intelligent and pretty women. So once you are selected, you become a member, a participant of our community. Now, why do I call it a community and not a beauty pageant? Because Forever Star India एक pageant नहीं है. It's a community that we are trying to build of like-minded women who are really, really passionate, जिनके अंदर बहुत सारा टैलेंट है, and they just want a right platform to prove it and to shine across. So इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते हुए, once you clear the audition, आपको 4 to 5 months के पीरियड के लिए extensively train किया जाएगा virtually, online, considering सब कुछ अभी सेफ नहीं है, and also to make sure कि आप अपने working और अपने घर के schedule को combine कर पाएं, and you can access these training sessions within the comfort spaces of your homes. So 150 plus trainers will be training you from different profiles: stylists, makeup artists, designers, image consultants, fitness experts, ramwalk experts, and many, many more. 150 से भी ज्यादा experts आपको ट्रेन करेंगे, आपको ग्रूम करेंगे 4 से 5 महीने के लिए, to ensure that no matter you win or not, you take away something very very credible from this platform. And similarly, on these lines, we will not be just announcing one winner, we will be announcing 350 plus winners on city, state and national level. 95% of the process virtual होगा, online, to ensure a lot of safety and to ensure कि आप घर बैठे ही मुंबई और दिल्ली के experts को access कर पाएं. The finale will be held in December, which will be held offline, because I'm sure crown पहनना किसी को भी online अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You would want to wear it in those couture gowns, in those designer dresses, in physical, in person by the celebrities that we'll have. So that will be held in, December, and उसमें हम सारे winners, city, state and national level winners को बुलाया जाएगा, and it will be a grand affair that will be held only to commemorate your win into the pageant. So it's going to be a huge affair. And on the larger hint, अगर मैं basic benefits की बात करूं तो list बहुत लंबी है, but अगर कुछ की बात करूं, आप सबको digital certificate of participation मिलेगा और एक unique hard copy भी जो आप सबको भेजी जाएगी, no matter you win or not. Shopping vouchers मिलेंगे worth rupees 12,000. Then there will be, a top Google ranking. For example, अगर आप, within a month after your completion of profile, आप Google पे सर्च करेंगे पूर्णिमा, भाग्यश्री, शिवांगी, शरण और for that matter प्रतीक्षा, आपको अपना नाम टॉप पे मिलेगा because आपकी प्रोफाइल फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया पे क्रिएट हो जाएगी. So that's the idea. And ये benefits सिर्फ मैंने कुछ गिनाए हैं, आप वेबसाइट पे जाके सारे benefits चेक कर सकते हैं जो हर पार्टिसिपेंट को मिलेंगे, not just the winners but every participant will be receiving them. Now coming to the biggest benefit that I can offer, the platform can offer for that matter, is lifetime membership of the platform. Now the idea is कि you are like कि pageant खत्म होने के बाद lifetime membership से क्या मतलब, either you win or you lose. लेकिन आप हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से अगर एक बार जुड़ते हैं, you become a lifetime member, which means इस प्लेटफॉर्म से कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जनरेट होती है, आपको उसका डायरेक्ट एक्सेस मिलेगा. For example, next year हम अपना OTT platform launch करने वाले हैं. I am sure you must have heard about Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. Digital content has been ruling the entertainment industry. तो जब हम actors, singers, choreographers, script writers, directors की profiles के अंदर auditions लेंगे, आप लोगों को वो मौका directly मिलेगा because हम अपनी community members को ही वो chance देंगे, nobody from the outside. So that's the idea. We just want talented, passionate women, and we are here to offer you the right kind of opportunity and the right kind of work in any possible way we can. For example, Purnima is a dance teacher. We might collaborate with her next year as a choreographer, as a trainer for season 2 participants. तो आपका बस हमें टैलेंट चाहिए, and we are going to ensure कि आपको मौके मिलते रहें अपना टैलेंट प्रूव करने के लिए. And of course, it translates into something very, very beneficial for everybody of you. So that's the idea. I am pitching in the details of Forever Star India into the chat box social media. Please make sure you take a screenshot and, ensure that you research well. You check out what these sessions are, grooming कैसी हो रही है, हमारे participants किस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं, what are our trainers up to, and what kind of community are we trying to build, especially the website, so that आप अपने benefits check कर पाएं. And that would be it from my end. Thank you so much for hearing me out. And एक और चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी, ये सब benefits क्लेम करने के लिए along with the a lifetime membership, आपको एक minimal fee पे करना होगा 4,000 plus GST. इसके बाद कोई भी hidden charges नहीं होंगे. This is to ensure कि आपको ये सारे benefits आपके लिए acclaim हो जाएं. So that would be it from my end. Thank you so much for hearing me out. It was an absolute pleasure meeting all of you. And now if you have any questions, so I am open to taking that. कोई भी confusion है, please go ahead and you can ask me. Okay, is there anything, ladies? Great, thank you so much. And like I mentioned, it was an absolute delight hearing from all of you. Thank you for hearing me out patiently and taking out time today. I am really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions. Work on yourself, grow, and of course become the winners someday. So all the best, and our customer care team will be getting in touch once you receive the audition report to give you more clarity about the verification process. So thank you so much and have a lovely, lovely evening ahead. All the best, guys, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.